Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. Welcome to another episode of the Internet Things. In this video, we'll cover how to generally troubleshoot any computer. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to like and subscribe for help with spreading love to YouTube's algorithm. The OSI 7-layer model is still widely used, as it helps visualize and communicate how networks operate, and helps isolate and troubleshoot networking problems. Troubleshooting the bottom up is from the physical layer, layer 1, up to the application layer, layer 7. Troubleshooting the top down is from the application layer, layer 7, down to the physical layer, layer 1. The OSI model can help anyone troubleshoot any networking problem. As you're troubleshooting, make sure to take notes. Documenting the problem and the steps you take to resolve it will be very useful for future reference. And even after everything appears to be working again, you are not quite finished. Try to recreate the problem to understand the reasons why it occurred and make sure that it really was the root cause of your network issues. This way you can verify that the problem has been resolved, and you won't find yourself suddenly back at step 1 a few days later. In most application errors or issues, the user only needs to run a system file check or scan or update to the most recent version. There are many reasons why applications may stop responding. However, the main cause lies in the compatibility factor. When you try to run an application that was made for one version on a different version, it stops responding and shows errors. Presentation layer makes sure that data reached at the receiver and is in an understandable and usable format. This layer takes care of any issues occurring when transmitted data must be viewed in a format different from the original format. The session layer provides the mechanism for opening, closing and managing a session between end-user application processes. As long as the established format is in place, the communications channel will maintain open status. Session layer uses some protocols which are required for safe, secure and accurate communication which exists between two end-user applications. The transport layer uses TCP and UDP which use ports for communication. Most layer 4 problems revolve around ports being blocked. When troubleshooting layer 4 communications issues, first make sure there are no access lists or firewalls blocking TCP, UDP ports. The network layer operates the router. Possible problems dealing with the network layer include entering in the wrong IP address so that you don't go where you want. Another example is if your router dies, you have a network layer problem. The data link layer comprises of switches that deal with changing operators of data. The MAC address can be found on the switch of a computer. Every single networking device has a unique MAC address. Also note that the Address Resolution Protocol, ARP, is on the data link layer. A device might have a problem at the physical layer because more traffic is being directed to its interfaces than it can serve. When troubleshooting this type of problem, you find that the interface under focus is operating at or near the maximum capacity and you might have an increase in the number of interface errors. When the physical layer problem is due to an actual breakdown of a piece of hardware such as a cable or connector, usually no data can move across that link. In conclusion, 95% of network layer problems are physical layer problems. Basically, someone unplugged the Ethernet cable. For example, if people can't connect to a server, you have to check the back of the server to make sure the connection light is on. If it is, that means you most likely don't have a physical layer problem, but if the connection light is off, then you know that the wire got cut somewhere along the way. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks so much for sitting down with us today. It's been great and I'm excited about where you're heading. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have a business and would like to get connected, reach out to me today. See you on the next episode. Cheers.